A while back, I put out a video on Git basics, and it got a lot of love. But I did keep things really simple. We used GitHub Desktop and we stayed away from the command line. Now, I had some people ask about doing a deeper dive that uses the command line, but honestly, I didn't want to do that on YouTube because deep learning requires more than just passive video, and I wanted to take the time to do it right. So, I just launched a full Git course called Git from the Ground Up on my website, skillfoundry.io, and it's completely free. I cover both the concepts and the commands. The activities walk you through real Git workflows, and we even clone a repository twice to simulate working with teammates. It's command line focus, and it covers everything you should know how to do on the job: clone, add, commit, push, pull, branch, merge, pull requests, troubleshooting, and even a quick look at my favorite GUI client, GitKraken. Like I said, the course is free. You'll need a free Skill Foundry account to access it. Link is in the description below. Skill Foundry is my company and it is privately held. I don't sell your information, and the Discord is free to join. You don't need a paid plan to pop in and ask questions if you get stuck. So go check it out, and happy coding.